Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix the fail to connect to server error in Hytale. Let's get straight into the video. So if you guys don't know how to fix this issue, make sure you guys watch the video up until the end. Anyways, so in order to fix the fail to connect to server error, the number one main thing that you guys need to make sure is that whoever is hosting the server or running the server is actually up and running, and that can only be done through the command prompt. So if you guys just search the friend whoever is hosting the server, he should be running the server itself, and they do give you a green check or like a signal or a sign basically that the server is up and running. So if his server is up and running and the error is still happening, then what you can do is you guys can go ahead and completely exit Hytale. Go ahead and close the Hytale launcher completely, and then you can go ahead and open up the task manager and make sure, just type in Hytale and just make sure nothing of Hytale is still running, and hit end task. Now I will recommend waiting at least 20 to 30 seconds before proceeding. Now what you can also do is you can simply disconnect from the internet. You can go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi adapter, or just you turn it off from your PC, and then go ahead and try to launch Hytale launcher. And then it's going to tell you you'll have an offline notification, and then you want to simply just click play to continue. And what you can do is you can go ahead and create a new world, and then change your settings, whatever, and then the game will boot normally without server authentication if you were having the issue from creating it from here. And then that should also, and then you can go ahead and turn your Wi-Fi back on, and that should fix the issue. But if you're still having the issue with servers from here, like you're trying to direct connect, then you have to make sure that whoever is running the server did it properly and his server is actually up and running, his account is authorized, and all the stuff like that. So that should essentially be it. You can always make sure your internet connection is good as well. You can always do stuff like updating your network drivers, but make sure your internet is good, make sure whoever's running the server is good. And if you're trying to play by yourself and you're still getting that issue, just go ahead and turn off your Wi-Fi and then create a new world, and then that should also fix, and then you can go ahead and turn your Wi-Fi back on. So that should be it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.